This is the smallest truck stop we've ever been to. Oh my God, we'll never do this again. See what happens when you get into a truck stop that's full and you can't circle back around. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. This was at a Pilot FlyingJ in Hammond, Louisiana. It was on I-12 at the exit 40. They have a bunch of roundabouts, which aren't that much fun either. And you can see in this diagram, they only have spots for 60 trucks. And I'm not really sure that you could even get 60 in here. We found this Pilot using their app, and you can use your trip planner so it'll show you where the Pilot stops are. We knew we had a 5-hour drive, so we wanted to get out, stretch our legs, grab something to eat, so truck stops are usually the easiest for us. When I looked at the description of this one, I found out it had an Arby's and could hold 60 trucks. This one you had a lot of roundabouts to go through. Being that the entrance and exit is the same road, it makes it difficult to maneuver in and out, especially when you have somebody parked there. As we came in, we could see that it was pretty packed, and there is no way to loop out. You have to come in and go out the same way. There's a wall on the other side, so you can't loop around. They actually had extra parking for $12 with a gate. Really? So as we made our way around to the back, we noticed that it was really full. We watched a 65-foot tractor with his trailer try to back into the spot. And you can see he's having a tight fit. Can you imagine trying to put 79 feet into one of those sites? We knew it wasn't going to happen. Also realized there were no spots left. What are you going to do? Dave said, gotta back up. Where are you going to back up to? Well, there was that parking area. Hope they open their gate, because here we come. And they did. We were able to get out, as frustrating as it was. We did come across a welcome center when we cross over into Louisiana. Lots of space, very nice. So we try to use rest areas when we can, but there just weren't any. Plus we wanted to stop to get something to eat. If I would have done a better job of researching before I went into this truck stop, I would have looked at all stays, and what I would have seen that Betty wrote terrible access getting in and out of this travel center, only one exit entrance for all vehicles in a heavily congested traffic area. Go on down the road. Next time I'm going to check there first. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.